comes with a G-string. Hi guys, I'm Bas and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing everything with you जो भी मैंने Meesho app से मंगवाया है, and I'm going to be reviewing their lingerie collection, which I think no other YouTuber has done just yet. And lingerie के अलावा I'm going to review the sexy nightwear stuff, and apart from that I also got a couple of bras and underwears. So let's start with the video and tell you everything that show you everything that I got. But before that, if you don't know what Meesho app is, so Meesho app has everything, literally everything: shoes, home decor, clothes, menswear, womenwear, accessories. They legit have everything, and everything is at really low price. मतलब काफ़ी अच्छी वैरायटी है, काफ़ी अच्छी क्वालिटी भी है. एंड इफ़ यू डोंट बिलीव मी तो बहुत सारी वीडियोज़ है बाहर. एंड इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग ऑन इन्वेस्टिंग कुछ भी 200-300 रुपये के अंदर भी यू गेट सच कूल स्टफ. एंड आई थिंक आई हैव रिव्यूड देयर western wear, ethnic wear before on my channel. So if you're interested in buying any of those, you can check out my video and then go ahead and buy it. That's all I can say. Anyways, they also have this thing wherein if you are planning on starting up your own business and you want to invest in the beginning, so all you can do is just place an order on Meesho. You can send your customers all the pictures from Meesho app, and then you can order it directly to the customer's address, or you can get the margin. And I think that is absolutely amazing, and मतलब बहुत ही easy है. So if you're interested, then please check out their page, and I'm very sure कि सारा सामान देखने के बाद you will fall in love and you are going to order something. So I am really excited to share everything. I'm going to start with I think underwear, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा नहीं है. पहला हम ट्राई करेंगे, ये ट्राई नहीं करेंगे, ट्राई और नहीं होने वाला है ये, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्सप्लिसिट हो जाता. But yeah. So this is what the underwear looks like, and I think it's really stretchable. और मैं अपना size तो नहीं दिखा रही हूँ कभी. I'm gonna put the prices on the screen, and I'm very sure कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा सस्ते थे, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सस्ते थे. तो I got 2 of these, एक brown में and then one in this royal green sort of color, and I think they're pretty awesome and are really wearable too. So that was that. If you're interested, go ahead, buy it. मैं हर चीज़ के बाद ये बोलने वाली हूँ, so please get used to it. और मेरे फ़ोन को चुप हो जाना चाहिए. Now let's move on to the bras first. So I got this bra, which is actually really pretty. The color is absolutely amazing. It is seamless, no doubt. But I don't know how I ordered the wrong size. So but the material, the quality, everything is amazing, and I think it is going to look really amazing under all your outfits. I think it's a seamless t-shirt bra, so yeah, perfect. The price is already on the screen. Now I got another bra, which is this one, and I think this also I got very chota sa. This is nowhere close to my size, but the bra, the material is amazing, the quality is actually great, and I really wanted a new t-shirt bra without pads because I just wanted it. क्या ही बोलूँ मैं. और हाँ, ये वाली I think ये वाली underwired push-up bra है, और this one is like a basic वाला, बिल्कुल जैसे घर पे, because most of the time I don't even go out now. I go out once a week. Why do I need a bra for that? I need a bra to wear at home. This one is actually from Clovia, and I think that's super cool. और इसमें कितने का है ये? Clovia पे ये 600 का है, and you're getting the exact same thing for this price, or maybe this price. पता नहीं मैं कहाँ पे लगाने वाली हूँ. तो I think that's amazing. You should definitely go and check it out on Meesho app. Now next bra or bralette sort of thing that I got is this one. ये है, this is something that I ordered so that I can create cotton like Komal Pandey, and I think ये वाला size comparatively better है, and this fits me as well. This is a really cool bra with a very fascinating pattern. This one is again from Clovia, और ये भी 600 की थी, but you can see the price on the screen कि मैंने कितने के लिए, and I think this is gonna look so cool. मतलब अगर ये पहनो और उसके साथ वो crop burst वाला hoodie जो सब यहीं तक कटा हुआ है वो पहन लो, और नीचे एकदम cargo pants पहन लो, cool bro, मतलब मेरे को मैंने imagine कर लिया, मेरे को बहुत cool लग रहा है, ठीक है. So that was it, and I think I got these 3 bras. Now it's time for all the saucy and spicy clothes that I got. Okay, I have one जो अगर मैंने दिखा दिया तो सब मुझसे पूछेंगे कि लिया क्यों है. I also don't know. I just wanted to see कि ये कैसा होता है, क्या है. मैंने कभी कुछ ऐसा खरीदा नहीं था. And I really wanted to try stuff. And I think that's it. I'm gonna show you now कि मैंने क्या लिया. मैं यहाँ पे picture लगा दूँगी so that you get a better idea. So the first is this 2-piece set. Okay. मेरे को इससे शर्म आ रही है थोड़ी सी. So this is what the 2-piece set looks like. It is completely transparent, as you can see. मैं यहीं पे दिखा देती हूँ. This is completely transparent. Now you can get back to looking at the picture. And I think अगर मैं इसको कपड़ों के नीचे से as a bralette भी पहनूंगी तो it would look really cool. And it also comes with a transparent underwear as well that has a really cool thing going on at the back on the ass area. I'm not even sure if you can see that. So it has this bow sort of thing, and this is also completely transparent, and the material is insanely good. मैं कुछ चीजों के लिए बोलती हूँ कि if you're interested you can buy it. मैं कह रही हूँ सब छोड़ो, अभी के अभी ऑर्डर करो, ये तो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है. मेरे को बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था कि मीशो से इतनी अच्छी चीजें आएंगी. This is like super stretchable too, and I think इसका one size कुछ आता है. This is also very stretchable, मतलब wow. Next up I have, okay, मैं फिर से शर्मा रही हूँ थोड़ा सा. Next up I have this baby doll sort of thing. Again, very very transparent. यहाँ पे it has a different lace sort of pattern, और यहाँ नीचे net है, and then again नीचे lace है. Everything is completely transparent, hence I cannot really give you a try on. That would be too much, man. मैंने imagine भी क्यों किया है. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Again, it is very stretchable, and it looks so sexy, and it comes with a G-string. Okay, we're gonna ignore that. Let's fast forward. So I'm gonna put the prices on the screen, और मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही हूँ. जो अभी तक मैं सारी चीजें दिखा रही हूँ ना, सोचे बिना, if you are interested in getting something sexy for you, इसी सेकेंड ऑर्डर करो. मतलब इतना inexpensive और इतना good quality material. Plus this is something that I bought for myself so that I can remind myself कि भाई बहुत ज़्यादा single हो, अकेले बैठ के एकदम बढ़िया like sipping wine in a robe. Oh my god, I am getting lamer with age, I feel like. Now on to the next thing, and I know you guys will find a pattern. I only go for black color. Firstly, secondly, I got 3 pieces जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा similar है एक दूसरे से. Anyways, so this is what the second piece looks like. Again, very very transparent, but instead of lace, it has net वाला इधर like bust area पे, और बहुत ही छोटा सा थोड़ू सा lace, and it has this. This looks really sexy, believe me. It is incredibly stretchable, very nice quality, very comfortable as well. और ऐसा होता है ना कि बहुत इरिटेशन होने लग जाती है कभी कभी, बहुत ज़्यादा हम सिंथेटिक सा कुछ पहनते थे, वैसा मुझे नहीं फील हुआ इसमें, तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी अबाउट इट. अगेन इट कम्स विद अ G-string. I'm not going to show it over. लास्ट नहीं है, इसके जो नेक्स्ट वाला है वो मैंने सोचा था कि मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगी, बट देन दिखा देते हैं. Next up we have again something very similar, but this is a halter neck, और ये इसका बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऐसे डीप जाने वाला था, and ऊपर में बस एरिया पे इस पे नेट है, then it also has a bow, and नीचे इसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ हल्की सी लाइनिंग है, और again it comes with a G-string. This also looks really good. Okay, again stretchable, सारी वही चीजें जो मैं पहले वालों के लिए कह रही हूँ. थोड़ा मटेरियल में तीनों के डिफरेंस है, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि जिसकी वजह से मैं जरा सा भी नेगेटिव बोलूँ. पता है, मतलब दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे मेरे जीवन में जो लगा है कि वाओ, दिस ऐप, all this is like a blessing. मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी होती है जो we often try and find on Amazon और ऐसे वैसे कि सस्ते में कहीं पे मिल जाए यार, इतना इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना और ऐसे नहीं करना, and good quality also you need. Meesho is the place, go for it. Next, or the last thing that I got is like incredibly explicit. Okay, so I'm going to show you like for a fraction of a second, and I think maybe put a picture here for a fraction of a second. So this is something that I got in red color, a halter bikini sort of thing, like it's a 2-piece thing, again net, but but it has holes like that. Okay, so the second is over, and same goes for the more like a G-string only with everything open. I am not even sure if I'm gonna wear it or not. मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ, ये बिल्कुल as it is नया नवेला पड़ा रहेगा. बस मुझे इतना fascinating लगा था कि wow, ये तो बहुत cool लग रहा है. चलो ले. Oh my god. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked everything that I got, and I really am ordering you to go ahead. Just for you to feel sexy in your own skin, I think you should invest or spend some money on clothes like these, because then you can feel yourself, man. And I do that every time I'm in a bad mood. I just do that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. It was lovely speaking to you guys again, and please watch my videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. मैंने कर्ल्स करने की, मेरे को इतनी बोलने का मन क्यों करे? मैंने कर्ल्स करने की कोशिश की थी, बहुत ही वाहियात हो गए हैं. बाय. मैं कभी भी फ्लाइंग किस नहीं करती हूँ, ये बहुत ही गलत है. I'm so sorry you had to deal with that. I have a very happening life. I started shooting at 8 अभी रात के, and let's see कि कब तक जाता है. इस लॉकडाउन की वजह से मैंने अपने आप को खुजला के यहाँ पे चोट मार ली है. दिख रही है? नहीं दिख रही है. ऐसे बहुत ही अश्लील पोस्ट था, बहुत ही गलत था, और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कैमरा चलते के साथ मेरे जीवन में जो भी चल रहा है सब कुछ बता दूँ.